Hello, my name is Kyle Berry. I'm the Manager of Precision Upgrades Marketing with John Deere. Here today to talk to you about an exciting new offering for model year 26, which is our ExactEmerge and MaxEmerge 5E meter upgrade kits. Here you'll see our MaxEmerge 5E option. This is a great solution for customers with model year 15 and newer John Deere planters. It's a great solution for 5-mile-an-hour planting. It gives you a 20% improvement in population accuracy. So really putting the right rate of seed down in the right places as you're going around corners or into waterways. You get individual section control down to the individual row. For customers that are interested in a high-speed solution, we have our ExactEmerge option with brush belt technology that does a great job singulating corn, soybeans, and cotton and directly placing that seed right in the trench. What's really exciting about these offerings is traditionally through John Deere, we would sell you an entire new row unit. And with this offering here, we're able to replace just the meter on your planter. So for those 2015 and newer John Deere planters, we can replace just the meter to MaxEmerge 5E or ExactEmerge. Now for customers that have 2014 and older John Deere planters, we have our ultimate row unit upgrade. And so that's going to have the same foundation of this meter technology, but in this case we are going to sell you an entire new row unit paired with the downforce option of your choice, whether it's active pneumatic or individual row hydraulic downforce. Then you continue to configure your kit exactly how you want it. So you can pick your gauge wheels, your row cleaners, the closing wheel options that you prefer. Really make that kit exactly what you want. And we're going to sell you a brand new factory row unit with a 1-year warranty to put on your existing John Deere toolbar back to model year 2005. Behind me you'll see See & Spray Premium. Some folks may not be familiar with what See & Spray Premium is, and it's our latest targeted weed control technology. And so we outfit a boom with 36 cameras, 6 VPUs or vision processing units, and what those do is allow you to go through the field, see weeds, make the differentiation between a weed and a crop, and spray just the weed. What this does is provide customers a more than 50% savings on their non-residual herbicide products. And so it's a really exciting technology for customers to change the way that they're spraying their crops today. We now have expanded compatibility to 90 and 100-foot booms in addition to the 120-foot booms that customers are familiar with today. So we're expanding the portfolio, allowing more and more customers to adopt this technology on their farms. It requires you to have ExactApply, BoomTrack Pro 2, and a G5 command center display. But this is a really awesome technology. We have a pressure recirculation and product reclaim here behind me, and what this technology does is it gives customers the ability to prime their boom system without putting any product on the ground. Traditionally, without this technology, in order to prime the boom system, you had to put product onto the ground, and it was a waste of product. With pressure recirculation and product reclaim, we're able to actually prime that boom system, making sure that the product in the boom stays suspended, where there's no settling of chemical within the solution system, saving on product, and then also you're able to reclaim that product back into the solution tank. It can save customers 30 gallons of product every time they do a rinse, which can be on average $600 in savings every single day using this technology. So it's a great option for customers to upgrade on their current machines. Behind me, you'll see our ExactApply nozzle technology. This is for 2014 and newer R-Series sprayers or 400 and 600 series sprayers. We have the ability to give you section control down to the individual nozzle. So as opposed to 9 or 11 sections, depending on boom width, we're now getting down to 15 to 20-inch sections by shutting each individual nozzle off. So as you come into point rows, waterways, areas where the boom is not going to cross a section at the exact same time, we're able to turn each individual nozzle off simultaneously. This gives customers on average 2 to 5% savings on their input costs. It also leads to less water usage, less tendering, and more efficient application. With this ExactApply nozzle body, it's a 6-turret nozzle body that gives you the ability to run an A+B, so the front or the back nozzle or in conjunction with each other, giving you a wider range of speed choices as you're moving through the field and making sure that we're putting the right rate of product down in the right place at the right time. ExactApply is capable of 30 hertz pulsing with these 2 solenoids here, or 15 hertz individually. Behind me, you'll see our Individual Nozzle Control Pro, or Ink Pro, as you'll hear us refer to it as. This is a product that gives you section control down to the individual nozzle. So as opposed to 9 to 11 sections that we were traditionally used to, we're now getting down to that 15 or 20-inch section, depending on your nozzle spacing, allowing you to put the right amount of product in at the right time. Customers see 2 to 5% savings on chemicals as they adopt an individual nozzle control product, because they're no longer over applying or under applying as they go through the field. And when we think about curve compensation or turn compensation, the inner boom and outer boom sections are likely going at much different speeds around turns. And so this product gives us the ability to put the right amount of product down at the right time. Individual Nozzle Control Pro is available on 2008 and newer John Deere sprayers, 4730 and 4830s, all the way up to R series in the latest 400 and 600 series sprayers. For more information, visit us online at deere.com/upgrade or visit with your local John Deere dealer.